Alright guys, we have the, I don't even know really what I would call this. I think I'm going to go with Cooter's truck, like dude said on the Facebook page. But I've welded this whole piece up for the boom. This is sitting on a B16 chassis. It's just a 4x4. I got the D12 stock gearbox, except that it's got metal gears. I'm running the Traxxas Latrax motor, which is I think a 280 if I'm not mistaken. And then I'm also running the Latrax ESC on my GT3B receiver. So, or I mean transmitter. So we're gonna do a speed run and let's get at it. All right, so here we go. Ooh. A turnover crew right there. I guess around 15 miles an hour, maybe 20 if I could get an even surface and not get hopping.